eCoinomic CNC is a utility token on the eCoinomic platform, used to access the platform services. The project issues up to 2.1 billion tokens in total. The tokens are to be distributed in the following way: 2% for pre-sale and crowd sale development stages, 72% for reserve sale stage, 13% for the team, 12% for advisors, 1% for bounty. More than 270 million tokens are reserved for advisors and activists of promotional campaigns. More than 270 million tokens are reserved for the project team and founders. Over 1.5 billion tokens are available for token sale. The biggest part of the token supply will be divided into 3 sales phases. 150 million tokens will be distributed among pre-sale development stage contributors before April 21. All pre-sale development stage tokens will have bonuses of up to 25%, depending on the contribution amount. The rest of the tokens will be distributed during crowd sale development stage and reserve stage. The token price starts at $0.05 and increases for every 200 million tokens. The final token price will not exceed $0.12. The token sale is finished once the hard cap of $100 million is reached or on August 1, 2018. All unsold tokens will be burned after the token sale. After the platform launch, the service fees for accessing selected services will be paid with eCoinomic tokens only. Service fees include costs for maintaining project integrity and development. Each user will be able to purchase eCoinomic tokens on crypto exchanges or on the platform at market price. For example, for paying the access to first platform service, loans backed by crypto assets. When indicating the loan amount of $10,000, the service fee is 60 CNC tokens, provided the cost of 1 CNC is $1. Funds raised during the pre-sale and crowd sale development stages will be distributed in the following way: 45% development, 25% marketing, 12% technical security audit, 10% legal support, 7% operating expenses. Once the reserve stage of the token sale reaches $106 million hard cap, funds will be distributed in the following way: 81% the reserve, 10% operational expenses, 9% marketing expenses. eCoinomic is a well-set mechanism, economically feasible and independent, and takes into account the benefits for all members of the ecosystem. Join eCoinomic. Be the first one to participate in our token sale. For more information, visit www.ecoinomic.net.